the key is, the reason why we want to use this tool is first and foremost, it's going to pick up anything that's on the surface. It'll pull the gum out, it'll pull strings off clothes, and it will end up inside the tines. It will kind of clean the surface, and the second thing that it does is it will fluff the blades up and bring the blades standing up. If the blades are standing up, that helps with longevity. If they're laid over, then you're actually applying pressure to the base of the blade, and you can have blade degradation over time. So that's why it's so important to get on a regular routine maintenance cycle with this machine.
What kind of life do we usually get out of this kind of
The turf actually comes with a 15-year warranty. So if it's broomed and groomed, I honestly can say pretty confidently that you can even see 20 years. And that's not going to be that the blades are going to break down at that time. It's just aesthetically not going to look as good as it did the day that it was installed.
So that's the time frame, assuming we're actually maintaining as needed. Okay.
Can I ask a side question?
Sure.
You pointed out the fuel.
Yes.
If the fuel spilled on this turf, would it damage it? Should we always have the fuel
That's a good question.
over here?
It actually would not damage it as long as there was not a flammable source nearby. You would want to obviously flush it through, and it would drain through and unfortunately run into the drain that's adjacent.
My suggestion would be to your crew, have them
Fill it onto
on the real grass.
It won't hurt at all.
Yeah.
So the process is first to establish which way the blades go.
Okay.
Because the blades the grass comes in rolls, much like carpet. They're 50-foot long rolls. What you have to do is determine based on where you see a seam.
Okay.
And you can kind of see
This one right here.
the seam right there.
Okay.
So you know that the roll was laid out this way.
Okay.
So then you basically do this to figure out which way the blades are laying, and it appears that they're kind of going this way. So this is pretty severely matted down.
Yes.
And so that's why you have to do this. With some of the newer ones, initially you'll get an idea of which way the blades are going.
Sure.
So the blades on here are laying down this way. So your method is going to be to start there and work your way this way with the way the rolls go, and the opposite way that the blades are laying. And so that's everything you need to know about doing it. So then it's just a matter of starting your machine. What you don't want to do is, right? You want to be able to do that. And then when you see things like that, you get my drift.
Yes.
And you don't need to apply a whole bunch of pressure.
Usually what I'll do is I'll do one pass to kind of clear everything, and then do one pass to finish it to get the blades up.
Oh.
Back, forward, over.
Yes.
Back, okay.
Yes. So come back toward me and then run it that way, and you'll be able taking those blades that have kind of laid over each other, and it's breaking those fibers outside of one another so that they're all standing up straight.
So when you're doing that, you're just using the pressure of the machine?
Yes.
So, okay, you're not pushing down.
I'm not pushing down with a whole bunch of pressure. Unless if I see something that I want to get up, like that's probably gum that you just might want to cut out,
Sure.
and then go over it. So.